Alright, so hey everyone. Our project is optical music recognition. So basically, we want to take in a file input of, say, any kind of sheet music, and then process it and play it back with audio. And so here's the basic UI of our app. And to load a picture, you just press load picture. It'll take you to the file manager. And for example, we'll just choose ode.png. So essentially what this app is going to do is take this image, first do some pre-processing. So what it's going to do is figure out where each of these staff lines in these four regions correspond to in terms of pitch. And using that lookup table, we'll then go through, make sure that each of these note images are very high quality, and do some template matching with the 3 templates we have stored in the app. And once we find out all these notes, we'll do a bit of processing and sorting, and then it'll play back these notes in order. And currently the only support we have is for quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. So anything with 8 notes or higher are just going to be assumed to be quarter notes or simply not match. So you can give a listen to how this sounds. So as you can see, it does a really good job detecting quarter notes and even half notes, but it doesn't understand other notations such as dotted quarters or eighth notes. But overall, I think it works pretty well. If we were to take a more advanced example, such as this one, you're going to see that it's going to match pretty well, but of course it's going to try to play everything as a quarter note because most of these things here look like quarter notes in terms of their note heads. But you can see that it does match pretty well, and that's just one of the things that for future improvement that we could work on, getting the 16th notes, staccatos, recognizing the key signatures. Currently we only recognize, say, a C major. Anything else in terms of key signatures, it won't be able to play. And kind of the last thing that I wanted to note is that each of these songs supports up to notes that are 3 above the highest staff line and 3 below the staff line, and it also doesn't get thrown off by things such as lyrics in this song or titles or anything. It won't mismatch, even though the template matching might show that there might be some matches in the title. The processing will take care of those and not play those as sounds. But yeah, that's basically our app.